Well, good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to Verticon 2025. I am Valerie Pereira, VP of Market Research at Aero Asset. I would like to thank you all for being here today. And as many of you already know, Aero Asset is a helicopter sales firm that was launched in 2019 by a seasoned team of professionals, all of whom have been on the sales side of the helicopter industry 15 to 20 plus years. In addition to trading helicopters, Aero Asset also tracks pre-owned twin-engine helicopter markets and releases several periodical reports called Heli Market Trends. This is the Heli Market Trend 2024 Annual Roundup Twin-Engine Edition. This report covers models in production and variants with recent pre-owned sales activity. It follows a few strict definitions. For example, its definition of a retail sale, which is an on or off market pre-owned sale to an end user and or operator. It's all about the retail market. You'll find further definitions here, and you can also download the report from aeroasset.com/report. So let's see how the pre-owned twin-engine helicopter markets performed in 2024. So here to the top left-hand side of the slide, you will find sales volume, absorption rate, and year-over-year trends. And to the right-hand side, supply for sale and deal pipeline data for the end of 2024 versus the same time period in 2023. Year over year, we noticed transaction volume decreased 8% in 2024 versus 2023. Supply for sale increased 14%. Absorption rate for twin engines increased by 3 months, representing 16 months of supply at current trade levels 2024. So the takeaways are slightly less sales, supply increased, absorption rate increased annually but fared better second semester of 2024. Average transaction price rose 11% year over year with significant increases in the light and heavy asset classes. Now let's take a more in-depth look at how the pre-owned markets did in terms of retail sales, supply, and absorption rate. In the last 8 years, supply was at its lowest in 2023. We can see a shift in 2024 where there's an uptick in the supply trend. Sales were at their highest levels in 2021 and have declined consecutively since. The decline from 2023 to 2024 was mainly due to a decrease in sales in the heavies and mediums in 2024. Here we have asset class performance. There is a lot of data on this slide. I will only comment on a portion, but feel free to download the report if you wish to explore it in more detail. To the left, you have sales, followed by absorption rate, and below it, supply for sale. Retail sales are in units and value of assets sold. Absorption rate is in years, and supply is in units for sale and value of the units. On the top, the columns are categorized by asset classes. So you have light, medium, and heavies, as well as overall totals. To the right of that, you have graphs representing the same data in semester layout. So let's get into it. In 2024, light twin-engine retail sales volume increased slightly, 3% year over year. Mediums decreased 22%, heavies decreased 40% over the same period. Demand was mainly from North America and Europe, and it's also worth noting that European retail sales volume increased 29% year over year, and North American volume increased 6%. Absorption rate for all asset classes is over 1 year of supply at current trade levels. The increase in the average trading price in 2024 for the light twins was mainly due to the newer variants such as the Airbus H145, D2, and D3s that traded versus older medium twins. Now let's look at the buyers and where they were in 2024 and how sales fared in terms of configuration. Here we are looking at the market by regions and configurations. North America and Europe continue to lead in transaction volume. North America accounting for 41% of pre-owned acquisitions, followed by Europe not too far behind, accounting for 35% of the buyers in 2024. Supply was mainly located in Europe, representing 40% of the total, a 16% increase year over year, followed by Latin America at 23%, which was a 56% increase in supply when compared to the end of 2023. And North America accounting for 18% of the supply at the end of 2024, down 13%. Medium and heavy twin retail sales decreased 22% and 40% respectively year over year. Corporate VIP configured helicopters represented 59% of the worldwide pre-owned sales, down 9% year over year, followed by utility at 30% and EMS representing 11% of the transactions. Sales of airframes under 10 years of age are up 23% when compared to 2023. Airframes 20 plus years of age are down 26% year over year, and airframes 11 to 20 years of age are down 11%. Clearly, buyers are looking for younger aircraft. So how will the market progress as the year continues? Will retail sales volume continue to decrease or stabilize? Will regional trends shift? Will pricing continue to grow or decline? Important questions that only the next few quarters will be able to be answered given the new U.S. administration and its plan on imposing of new tariffs, the continued Ukraine and Middle East conflicts. These next upcoming quarters will definitely be captivating to us all. So let's move to the last but not least, the liquidity lineup. Let's take a look at which markets performed well and those that did not. Every quarter, we rank pre-owned markets from most to least active. The algorithm that powers the ranking is weighed by model, market, absorption rates, retail sales, in this case, 2024 unit sales and active fleet sizes. The most liquid pre-owned markets in 2024 was the Airbus H145 with an absorption rate just under 7 months, followed by the Airbus H135 and the Leonardo Grand New, who both share second place. The least liquid markets in the lineup are the Airbus H225 and the Sikorsky S76D. I know what you're all thinking, so what's going to happen in 2025? It's my opinion that 2025 will resemble 2024. Last year, we noted we had not seen an influx of supply for sale, supply chain was an issue, and a resilient U.S. economy continued to impact pre-owned markets. The fact many prospective sellers still don't have a straightforward path to replace their aircraft will continue to keep pressure on the supply. I previously noted the majority of the buyers were interested in 10 years of age or younger in corporate VIP configurations, and that the demand was coming mainly from North America and Europe. So here's some food for thought. VIP configured helicopters currently available for sale in North America and Europe stand at 28 helicopters under 10 years of age, 79 11 to 20 years of age, and 32 for those over 20 years of age. And with that being said, I hope that this data has given you some insight into how the 2024 twin engine market helicopter markets performed. And I would like to once again thank you all for coming. And just a quick reminder, to download the report, simply go to aeroasset.com/report. Thank you so much and have a great show.
Thank you.